Hey there, designers. This is just a little fun side note. One of my students showed me this, and it is kind of a neat learning opportunity. You can kind of see after you've done the camera controls tutorial how they go about building some of the shapes and objects in Tinkercad. Everything in Tinkercad is built from primitive shapes, and you can see that here when we look at Elvis. So his pompadour here is actually an oval. We can even change the shape of that or the color of it too. So let's make Elvis a brunette. And you can see here his collar is a series of triangles, so we can change that to something maybe a little flashier here. Let's give him a purple collar and a pink shirt maybe. So you can start seeing and getting the feel for how some of these objects are drafted and created in the Tinker space. Let's go for some red lips and maybe a black microphone. And you can start playing around a little bit with what this looks like. You can also look at everything that's been built and shared with you and modify it a little bit. So if I wanted to actually open that curtain, the curtain is made of a bunch of series of rectangles. I can actually just delete those. So I can pull those back here. And I had a student one year, he went through all of these, this particular tutorial and completely modified it. He opened the screen up, he put a sign up top, he cloned Elvis, he created chairs out in front in the audience, he made a sign for the stage and some lighting effects. It was pretty creative, and it kind of shows some of the cool stuff that you can do with even the simplest of designs once you start working in that Tinker space and understand how things are put together. So you can have some fun with the camera controls tutorial if you'd like, if you're feeling like you want a little more of a challenge with these different tutorials as you work through them. Just some fun things I thought I would share.